we can all make a difference. Let's get started. Raila, let's begin with a quick overview. Raila, want to tell us what World Environment Day is all about?
Sure, Arbina. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. It was established by the United States in 1972 to encourage awareness and protection for the environment. Every year has a different theme, and this year's theme is ending plastic pollution globally.
Okay.
Neha, why do you think it's important for young people like us to care about the environment?
Because it's our future that sustains climate change, pollution, and loss of biodiversity affect our food, water, and health. If we don't act now, the consequences will be severe, not just for us, but for future generations.
Right. Very good.
Mahyai, what are your thoughts on World Environment Day celebration?
Yeah.
On this World Environment Day, let's not just celebrate the nature, let's protect it. Every action counts, every choice matters. The earth is speaking. Are we listening to it? Protect what sustains you. This Environment Day, be the change. Green today, alive tomorrow. Nature doesn't need us, we need nature. So act like it. A cleaner earth starts from one choice. That is yours. This Environment Day, be the change.
निदा, आपका क्या ख्याल है इसके बारे में?
34 साल के आलमी और माहौलियाती दिन का थीम एंडिंग प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन ग्लोबली रखा गया है। इसलिए हम सबको एक साथ खड़ा होना होगा, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक की आलूगी एक आलमी मसला है और इसका हल भी एक आलमी तहरीर है। आए अहद करें कि प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल कम से कम करेंगे और आने वाले नस्लों के लिए एक साफ और महफूज जमीन छोड़ेंगे। छोटी सी आदत बदलो और जमीन के लिए बड़ा फर्क पैदा करो। से नो टू प्लास्टिक।
Neha, what are some simple actions we students can take to help the environment?
There is so much we can do. Use reusable bottles, reduce plastic, plant trees, cycle or walk instead of driving, and spread awareness. Even small changes make big impact when we all do them together.
Snowball, what are your thoughts on World Environment Day?
From rising temperature to disappearing forests, the signs are clear. Our environment needs help, but here is the good news. We are not helpless. Small changes lead to environment. Whether it is reducing plastic, conserving water, our planting trees, every action counts. You know what? Our 11 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. Forests absorb roughly 2.6 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually. One tree can produce all the oxygen for 4 people a day. Thank you so much.
Minha, as you know, this year's theme is on ending plastic pollution globally. Would you elaborate, please?
Here is a scary fact. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced, and half of it is used only once, just once. Guess what? Plastic never really goes away. It just breaks down into small pieces called microplastics, which can end up with the food we eat and the water we drink. Thank you.
Very good.
Let's see, share one environmental pledge we are making this year. Snowball, let's start with you.
I pledge to stop using single-use plastic and start composting at home. Thank you so much.
I will raise awareness about deforestation and support tree planting efforts.
I will not litter. I promise to trash into proper receptacles.
Amazing.
I pledge I'll be the savior, not the destroyer. I will join local cleanup drives and advocate for school greenup policy. I pledge I will eat all my food to reduce waste and will talk to all my friends and families about conservation.
Very good.
I will save energy. I promise turn off light and electricity when not to use.
Excellent.
I will conserve resources. I promise to use a refillable water bottle for drinking. I will not waste water. I will use reusable bags for shopping. Thank you everyone for sharing your thoughts. Let's remember every action counts. This World Environment Day, let's commit to restoring our planet one step at a time. Thanks for tuning into the Voices for Planet. Until next time, stay green and stay inspired.